Hello everyone, good evening. I am Rishikesh. Today I am going to explain you method overloading. So let's start it. Uh, Before method overloading, we will discuss uh, what is OOPS. OOPS means object-oriented programming system. In OOPS, mainly divided into four parts. First one is inheritance, second one is abstraction, third one is encapsulation, and fourth one is polymorphism. We will discuss polymorphism first. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is a Greek word which is divided into uh, made up of divided into two parts, that is poly means many and morph means forms, that is polymorphism means many forms. We will take a real life example of a person uh, can a person is a man, uh, a man at the sometimes uh, a person might be as a teacher, person might be as a sports person might be as a husband, a person might be as a father. At this at the end of situation, a person is a man. So per, one a person perform uh, different action in different situation. This is the example of polymorphism. A polymorphism is achieved by using two types, that is compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We will discuss compile time polymorphism. That is compile time polymorphism is also known as static is early binding. Also, it is called as uh, static binding. Compile time polymorphism is um, achieved by method overloading. Method overloading is method which when we perform multiple class have multiple method with the same name and perform we have different parameters is nothing but method overloading. Method overloading achieved by three ways. That is, first is changing method overloading achieved by changing number of parameters. Second one is method overloading achieved by changing data types, and third one is method overloading achieved by changing number of sequence. So first is we have method overloading using changing in number of parameters. We have two methods, that is sum method. In first sum method we have two parameters, that is integer a, integer b, and second sum method integer a, integer b, integer c. This is the example of method overloading with the changing number of parameters. Second example, changing in data types. We have two sum methods. In first sum method we have two parameters, that is integer a, integer b. In the second sum method we have two parameters, but in this method we have changing its data type, that is double a, double b. This is the example of changing in data types using method overloading. We have third example, changing method overloading using changing number of sequence. We have two methods, that is sum methods. In first sum method we have two parameters, that is integer a and float b. In second sum method we have those parameters, but in changing sequence, that in first we pass parameter, that is float a, and second integer b. So this is all from method overloading in polymorphism. Thank you friends watching this video.